Today we have OpenSea planned stock market debut. Users are furious. So table of contents want to release the token. So OpenSea has announced that it is hiring a CFO, Chief Financial Officer, for the very first time, but some of the company's future plans have sparked fierce criticism in crypto circles. So Brian Roberts is moving over to the NFT marketplace after spending 7 years as the CFO of Lyft, the popular ride-hailing app. Speaking to Bloomberg, he explained, "I haven't been this excited about something in a very long time. It reminds me of 995 eBay. Roberts certainly has a wealth of experience that could prove valuable to OpenSea. He's previously worked at Microsoft and Walmart, so some of the America's biggest corporations, confirming that OpenSea is already profitable and that an initial public offering is on the cards. The executive also revealed, when you have a company going as fast as this one, it would be foolish not to think about it going public. And as you might expect, OpenSea users on crypto Twitter weren't particularly thrilled to hear the phrase IPO. So, guys, we have CMC's podcast here. Check it out. It's really very informative. It says here from some critics, going down the IPO route, a process that involves enlisting investment banks and making a debut on the stock market, goes against the free-spirited, decentralized nature that crypto companies often embrace. One well-known crypto investor on Twitter imagine being the largest and most successful NFT marketplace, yet choosing to go for IPO instead of issuing token. In case you're unfamiliar, NGMI stands for not going to make it. The others question why OpenSea wasn't gearing up to launch its own governance token instead, which could be distributed to those who have transacted with the marketplace through an airdrop. This would then give users the opportunity to have their say on the project's future direction. A similar approach has been used by other crypto platforms in the past, with decentralized exchanges, Uniswap being a notable example. Pradon of CryptoPunk 270 tweeted, "Sucks to hear OpenSea is selling out and doing an IPO. Their VCs didn't get them to where they are today. We did." So it's fair to say that not everyone agrees with this criticism. Launching a governance token can be easier said than done, not least because of the strict rules surrounding securities in the US. Some also argue that OpenSea users aren't entitled to receiving free money just because they've used the NFT marketplace a few times. And a not insubstantial chunk of Twitter users are enthusiastic for OpenSea to go public because it will give them the opportunity to short the stock. Clearly, they are not fans. OpenSea has been rocked by a controversy or two this year. A few months ago, the marketplace requested and accepted the resignation of a senior employee who had purchased NFTs before they were promoted on the site's homepage, later selling them on for a profit. So employees were later warned that they were forbidden from buying or selling collections that were being featured by OpenSea in any way. So I think that's that. Then we have Coinbase went live in the middle of April with a reference price of $250, and although coin stock hit highs of 429.54 soon after going live, they quickly tumbled back down again, even since the exchange has largely traded at or near this reference price, rallying whenever BTC goes up and crashing back again when the crypto market corrects. So guys, that's all we have on OpenSea going IBO. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. It's the boy Keys. See you in our future uploads.